Hi everyone, my name is Manvi Gumba and my student ID is 101412099. So, today I will be representing you my currency converter application. So, basically, this application allows the user to convert a specific amount from one currency to another using the real time exchange rates. So, I'm using to build this using the React Native for the front end as it leverage an external API to fetch the latest currency rates. So let's begin with that. So basically, the main goal for this project is to provide a simple and a user-friendly interface for converting the currencies. So basically, I have used the base currency over here. Yeah. So basically, I'm using the base currency and then the target currency over here. So basically, the base currency is the currency where you want, like, you are converting from, and I have put like the default as the CAD over here. You can see, and then I'm using the target currency, that the currency which is used to, like, you're converting your currency into. So the options will be like USD, GBP, ORT, and more. And then the amount is like the amount, how much amount you want to convert. And I have like written over here the default amount is one. So basically, these inputs are used to query an external API which returns the current exchange rate, and then the result is displayed on the screen. I will be demonstrating this whole application in a while. So then I'm gonna show you that basically I have like a two screens over here. So first is the main screen, which has all the functionalities for the, which will shows the base currency and like a currency converter thing. And then I have the about screen, which shows my personal information like my name and my student ID over here. So basically, this is the main UI where user input data contains like the main screen over here. And then I have created the two drop down menus where using the picker component for selecting uh, over here. If you see, this is my um, app.js, and then I this is my current currency. I have using the xos, and then this is my API key which I have extracted um, from the free currency api.com. So this is my data as for now, the, like, as it successful or not. So if I'm changing the currency over there, and the latest requests are getting updates here, like it's getting updated here over here. I'll show you in a while like how it is getting updated according to what I'm doing in my assignment. And then so as I was talking about my drop down menus, so basically I have used the picker component for selecting the base and the target currencies, and the text field input over here in the main screen, uh, where users can enter the amount which is to be converted, and then a button to initiate the conversion process, which you can see over here on the right side, which is like convert. And then so I have using the currency, the model, util model over here. So basically, this is like, this model handles the API call using the xos and the get exchange rate function, which like fetches the latest exchange rates from the free currency api.com, which I just showed you. And if it is successful, it retains the, like, returns the exchange rate, otherwise it handles the errors. Like, it will display an error message over here. So in the main component, I use the use state hook to manage the state of the currency selection and conversions. And over here you can see the code for the same. So basically, here is like I have used the drop down option over here for the CAD, USD, odd, and then these all the for the target currency, and then for the base currency. So basically, you can see like a picker component which I've used. So these are all the options for the base currency over here, and then the target currency, and keeping the default values as the CAD, USD, and the amount is like one over here. Basically, I just used, like before. So if I just refresh it, just wait for a while. Yeah, if you if I just refresh it over here, so you can see my default values, that the base currency is CAD, the target value is currency is in USD, and the amount is 1 by default over here. So then the API also fetches the real-time data from the API using the following request for the frequency, for the API thing which I showed you over here. So let me just demonstrate my app, how my application is working. So first, I'm just showing you the default values, like how it is actually converting. So if I just click the convert button over here, so you can see that the converted amount is like the one CAD is 0.71 USD dollars over here. And then if I just change amount, or if I just want to use USD dollars to change into euros, I guess maybe like $150, I guess. So if I just change that, and then you can see the converted amount is in euros, and it shows here that it's in euros over here. And then the amount converted, like the $150, the 150 USD is 142.85 euros over here. And then I have the drop here are my two pickers, like the conversion converter and then the about function, like the amount screen, about screen, my bad. So in the about screen you can see my full name and the student ID, which I have mentioned in my screens. If I just go in screens, and if I just show you my about screen, so here you can see that I have written like a text over here. I am in the view, I am using the text like Manvi Gumbo, and then my student ID over here I am using the text, the tags over here. So basically that's all for my application too, and I made this in the snack. Thank you. And then, oh yeah, and then I'll just show you here also. If I just refresh this one, then you can see this is like 37. So at 37, we just use it like twice. So first for the default one which I showed you, so this is the one which is live updated here, and this at the 737 which I did for the euros. So it is updating properly, and it's working properly. So thank you very much.